how to redeem Tesco vouchers. I'm going to show you all of the different methods of redeeming them and a step-by-step guide. You can redeem them in store at Tesco. You can find your vouchers. Vouchers can be found on your Tesco Club Card app as paper vouchers, as well as paper vouchers sent to your home or in your Tesco account online. You want to present the vouchers at checkout. When you're ready to pay, either show your digital vouchers on the Tesco Club Card app. You gotta scan the barcode, or present the paper vouchers to the cashier. The value of your voucher will be deducted from your total bill. You can also do this online at Tesco. Log into your Tesco account and add items into your basket at checkout. When asked how you would like to pay, you want to enter the voucher code from your digital vouchers. The value of your voucher will be applied to your order. With Club Card Rewards partners boosting value of vouchers, Tesco vouchers can often be exchanged for up to 3 times their value with Tesco's reward partners such as restaurants, theme parks, and more. Visit the Club Card Rewards partners page. You want to go to the Tesco Club Card Rewards website and browse the rewards partners. Choose a reward, select the partner you want to use such as Cineworld, Pizza Express, Alton Towers, and follow the instructions to exchange your vouchers. Once you've exchanged, you'll receive an e-voucher or a code from the reward partner to use at their location or website. Redeeming vouchers via the Tesco Club Card app. You can also open up the Tesco Club Card app and go to the voucher section. Select a voucher and choose to either use it for Tesco shopping or exchange with a reward partner. If using in store, just scan the barcode at checkout. Also, you can get Tesco fuel discounts. You can also use your Tesco vouchers for fuel at Tesco petrol stations by presenting them at the kiosk before paying. Here are some things to keep in mind: the expiration dates, partial use, and minimum spend. You can read through these. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.